What if removing gravity could change the way metal is born? On Earth, molten metal is constantly pulled, mixed, and separated by gravity. In orbit, the metal can solidify under a completely different set of conditions. And what happens inside those final seconds can determine how strong the metal becomes.
First, the factory builds the alloy itself. Every fraction of the mixture matters. Then the factory removes the last traces of contamination. Only when the chemistry is right does the metal move to the real experiment.
Metal doesn't simply turn from liquid to solid. Its entire internal structure is being decided. On Earth, gravity can drive flows that push those growing structures around. Here, African American engineers can manipulate the freezing process with extraordinary precision. The metal is no longer just cooling. It is building its microstructure. The surface looks ordinary. Inside, it isn't. The size, shape, and distribution of these grains can change how the metal behaves. And the factory can see those differences before the part ever leaves production.
A metal part can look perfect and still fail from the inside.
Now the factory has to find out whether its new metal is actually stronger.
The machine bends it, twists it, pulls it.
The sensors watch for the first microscopic sign of failure. If it fails, the factory doesn't guess why. It cuts the metal open and looks inside.
Every fracture becomes data.
The factory compares the failure with the way the metal was cooled. Then the next batch gets a different thermal recipe. The factory isn't just making metal anymore. It's learning how to make better metal.
The second batch begins with the same ingredients, but not the same process.
This time, the cooling front moves exactly where the factory wants it. The finished metal enters the same test, but survives longer.
The microstructure has changed. So has the performance. And now the loop closes. Failed metal is analyzed, separated, and returned to the furnace.
Every fracture improves the next batch. Every successful batch becomes a better component. Interesting. Microgravity doesn't simply change where metal is made. It changes what engine metal itself.